Ready to unlock the full potential of your Oracle Fusion HCM by tailoring it to your organization's unique needs. Let's dive into creating descriptive flexfields, or DFFs. First, navigate to the Setup and Maintenance area within Oracle Fusion HCM. You can typically find this in the Navigator menu, under Tools. Once you're in Setup and Maintenance, use the search bar to look for the task Manage Descriptive Flexfields. From the search results, select the Manage Descriptive Flexfields task. This will take you to the main DFF configuration page. Now, let's create a new DFF. Start by choosing the correct application for your DFF, for example, Human Capital Management. Then, select the appropriate context code. This defines where your DFF will be used. Next, define your segments, which are the attributes you want to add. Choose the right data type for each segment like text, number, or date. You can also link value sets to ensure data consistency. Configure the display properties for each segment here. You can decide if a field is required, and even control visibility based on context values, ensuring only relevant fields are shown. Finally, deploy your DFF. This makes it available in the relevant user interfaces. Remember to test it thoroughly to ensure it captures the information you need.